Io sono padre. Io sono due figli. Io sono due figli.
DJ, make una see wetin this our African brother do. This our African brother nearly buy controller, send her to the kiddo come, make it go gbewe for that side. E get why. My Igbo no be small thing o. According to the news, this video wey una dey see so, this incident happen for Lombardia train station in Italy normally. E get why. This our African brother and the controller come get misunderstanding based on money matter. Based on say this our African brother say controller dey owe her €2. Say if the controller no give her €2, say he no go allow the controller enter inside the tray waka comot. Say the controller must give her €2. E get why. My people no be small thing o. As the controller wan enter inside the tray, this our African brother come dey kpolo and dey go back. Say he no go allow the controller enter inside the tray unless he give her €2. Say he na father of 2 children. Say he no be small pikin again. Say make the controller give her €2. Say if he no give her €2, say if he buy am, send her to the kiddo come, make he go gbewe for that side. E get why. My people no be small thing o. As the controller dey try to enter inside the tray, this our African brother come dey kpolo and dey go back. As the controller wan just try the last time, this our African brother come grab am, use am take wipe ground. The controller come lekwe for ground. He come lose consciousness. He no come fit get up again. E get why. As the controller lekwe for ground, this our African brother come see dey rake. Say the controller must give her €2. Say he na father of 2 children. Say he no be small pikin again normally. E get why. My Igbo no be small thing. As this our African brother dey rake, he no know say person dey video am. As the person video am finish, the person come send am give Oga Savini. Na so Oga Savini take post the video. The video come go viral. Oga Savini come write say this our African brother wey do this thing. Say he no fit let am go unpunished. Say he must kpolo and go kirikiri. Make he dey shout say he na father of 2 children. Say he no be small pikin again. E get why. My Igbo no be small thing o. Many things dey happen for the countryside. Wetin this our African brother do so e no too clear normally. Abeg my people, make we dey try to dey control our anger. Make you no let anger overtake you. Make you no go do things when you go regret later. Make you no come dey say I die no. E get why. Abeg make we dey try to dey comot am for bad thing. Because say bad thing no too good. This our African brother don put himself for wahala because of €2. Just comot €2. When he go suffer leave for the controller, make he dey go. Make he carry him wahala go. Now he don enter big wahala because of €2. E get why. Abeg make una share this video. Make e for reach many people hand. Make dem for the get sense. E get why.